Hi everybody, we're going to be working on how to reverse up an hill and what sort of things can go wrong when you try reversing up an hill. Quite a common fault would be driving forward, and lots of people who when they first start learning how to drive, we're going to be worried about driving downhill instead of reversing back up an hill. So we'll pop it in reverse, so clutch down into reverse, and like I say, what people do is they'll rush things, so they'll have a look round, make sure it's clear, and they'll just take the handbrake off with a bit of gas and they're rolling forward, and it's just going to panic them straight away because there's a car in front of them. So what you've got to say to yourself is, obviously don't rush, take your time and get a bit of power on, feel a bit of biting point, feel a little pull, have a look round, and because you're going uphill, it's a bit like when you drive up an hill, it's going to need more power and a bit more clutch. And just look round and hold the clutch still and let the clutch do the work with the gas on. But if you come off the gas, it's struggling, so it needs power on, otherwise you're not going to make it up the hill. And there's no rush, it's not like trying to go up the hill fast. Have a look round again, and like I say, if you come off that clutch, it's going to speed up on you, isn't it? Which is what you don't want to do, because you've got to say to yourself, think of it like a manoeuvre. You know, when you do manoeuvres on your driving lessons, you don't come off the clutch, you ride the clutch, don't you, so you can take your time. Same sort of thing. So remember, if you don't put enough power on, it's going to struggle to get up the hill. If you put not enough clutch, you're going to roll forward, which is going to panic you at this point. You think like that, and you'll hit the brake. So you've got to say, bit of gas, find the biting point, so feel a little pull, hold it, put your heel on the ground to hold it still. Have a good look round, because you're going backwards, you want to look where you want to go. Use your mirrors, use your shoulders, and hold the clutch still. And if it's not moving, it's not going forwards or backwards at a point, keep the gas on. You're going nowhere, so you just got to say a little bit more clutch. So you lift the clutch a little bit more and it moves. You're talking about a couple of millimeters here, and you're going backwards slowly, no rush. Keep the gas on, hold the clutch still. But where are you going? Check your mirror, make sure you don't hit the curb, things like that. And anyone turns up behind you, you lower the clutch and put your foot on the brake. Handbrake neutral. And remember, when you're reversing backwards, your reversing lights are on, so people can see you reversing backwards and know what you're up to. Okay? I hope this quick one on how to reverse up an hill is helping you. If it does, fantastic. Take care, safe driving.